you guys look at like best practices from some of the most successful people on the planet, they journal every morning. And something that they put in their journal every single time is their gratitudes. What are they grateful for? Now you could do this 2 or 3 things. You can make a laundry list of things every day. Something that I have found that it helps with me is having 4 kids, having my wife, having, like all these things pull me in different directions, and all these stresses and things that could negatively impact my emotional state. First thing in the morning, when I wake up, other than affirmations, I write down what I'm grateful for. And it really sets the tone in your mind of, you know what, all this other shit, it's okay. I got in a fight with my spouse. I have a spouse. I mean, I am super grateful that I have a wife that I can argue with. There's people that don't have a wife to argue with. I'm grateful that I get to, right? It's how you think of it. It's how you frame it in your mind. Yeah. And writing down what you're grateful for is a huge way to impact your emotional state.